Scientific calculators often have an EE or EXP key, which means times 10. This is extremely helpful when we are doing calculations with powers of 10. The EE or EXP key has the added value of keeping the decimal part of the scientific notation and the power of 10 together as the same number. More on that later. First, let's get used to entering scientific notation using the EE or EXP key. Identify where the EE or EXP key is on your calculator. It is not the 10 to the X key. To input 2.67 times 10 to the third power, enter 2.67 EE or exponent 3. Do not enter times 10 at any point, just 2.67 EE or EXP 3. If you have a Texas Instrument calculator, the base 10 might be represented by a capital E or EE. Other calculators may have a 10 in the display. Some just have the exponent represented as a superscript. This calculator app uses a lowercase e to symbolize the base 10. E stands for the base 10, but it is not a universally accepted symbol for the base 10. Next, hit the equal function and your display should read 2,670. The way to enter negative exponents depends on your calculator. Most calculators accept the symbols entered left to right. In other words, to enter 4.56 times 10 to the negative 3, enter 4.56 EE or EXP, change of sign, and 3. Do not hit the subtraction function to get a negative exponent. Some calculators require the change of sign to be entered after the exponent is entered. Remember, do not hit times 10, just the decimal part, EE or EXP, and the exponent. When you hit the equal sign, your display should read 0.00456. Now that we know how to enter scientific notation using the EE or EXP key, let's look at a calculation that involves powers of 10. 4.5 times 10 to the 5th power divided by 1.5 times 10 to the negative 2nd power. Pause the video to enter this into your calculator and see what you get. Let's input the first value or dividend, 4.5 EE or EXP to the 5th, then the operation of division, and then the divisor, 1.5 EE or EXP negative 2. When we hit the equal sign, the answer should be 30 million, or 3 times 10 to the 7th power. If we express our answer with correct sig figs, it's 3.0 times 10 to the 7th power. Pause the video and do the same problem using the 10 to the X key on your calculator. It is likely that your answer is 3,000, which is incorrect. When you use the 10 to the X key, your calculator does not know that you're using scientific notation and will multiply by each power of 10, even if you're trying to divide a power of 10. If you want to use the 10x key, you can, but you need to put all values that are in scientific notation in parentheses. This can be cumbersome, but you will get the correct answer.